To replace the power switch on your V25, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Once the pump is disconnected from power, use a 4mm hex wrench to remove the nozzle cover from the pump. Next, use a 5mm hex wrench to remove the 6 bolts holding the switch cover plate to the pump housing. Remove the screw from the switch bracket and pull the switch from the switch cavity. Unscrew and unplug the wires from their terminals on the switch. Take note of which wire is attached to each blade terminal for reinstallation. Remove both Phillips head screws holding the switch bracket to the switch. Replacement parts can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. To reinstall the switch, reattach the switch bracket and wires to the switch, taking care to attach the wires in the manner shown. Then reinstall the switch assembly into the pump cavity. Next, reinstall the switch cover plate, taking care to align the switch actuator on the cover plate with the electrical switch. Reinstall the nozzle holder and tighten all bolts securely.